Hello friends, myself Assistant Professor Vatsal D. Patel from Civil Engineering Department working at Mahatma Gandhi Institute of Technical Education and Research Center Navsari. Today we are going to discuss about the contributors' vision of success. Any living and biosystem exists for a limited time span measured in terms of entry and exit. So as we know, Swami Vivekananda and Bhagwan Swami lived for less than 50 years, but their contribution to the world is unbelievable. So it is not dependent on the time span, but it is all about the contributorship. So, what is vision of life according to Dr. APJ Abdul Kalam? Dream, dream, dream. Convert this dream into thoughts and then transform them into the action. So, every one of us has many dreams, but to convert this dream into the thoughts, we had to transform our action towards it to achieve that dreams and to build thought process for that dream to achieve it. According to Dr. APJ Abdul Kalam, what is success? Three things are important for success: design capability, goal setting, and realization, and the strength to withstand the setbacks. So, according to this, we will like if we design one goal. So, first we have to design capability to reach it, and goal setting and realization to how to implement it. It is not like daydreaming or night dreaming. For it, we have to work and have to stand to withstand the setbacks or say the difficulties. So, if we overcome the difficulty, we will surely get the success. So, in the modern world, it is rare event that a contributory person possesses such physical facility. In fact, such a rich person grab the wealth through selfish approach and unethical tactics they apply by dealing with the people for their success, and which is known as the external success. So, what is internal success? The internal pleasure enjoyed through helping the needy and poor people is known as the internal success. So here we can see some of the great example of many people like Rajnikant, who say that at the age of 25 I was a bus conductor. Bill Gates, I didn't even complete my university education. Abraham Lincoln, at my childhood days I stitch my shoes. Dhirubhai Ambani, I work in a petrol pump. Sachin Tendulkar, I failed in 10th standard. Shahrukh Khan, I slept on bench and borrowed rupees 20 every day from a friend to travel Film City. A.R. Rahman, education dropout and initially a keyboard player. Messi, I used to serve tea at a shop to support my football training. So we know they are the very successful person. So life is not about you couldn't do so far. It's about what you still can. So non-contributor is always focused on external success, whereas contributor vision is to get external success as well as internal success. So let us take one example of contributor success in terms of internal success and external success. So in internal success, Mark Zuckerberg is an American entrepreneur. He is known for co-founding Facebook and serves as its chairman, chief executive officer, and controlling shareholder. Whereas for external success, like Satya Nadella is an Indian American business executive. He is the chief executive officer of Microsoft, succeeding the Steve Ballmer in 2014. Before becoming CEO, he was the executive vice president of Microsoft's Cloud and Enterprise Group, responsible for building and running the company's computing platforms. So, if and they then combine and internal and external success is also combined, and after that Microsoft became the executive third party ad platform partner for the Facebook and began selling advertising for the social network both domestically and abroad. The partnership has only flourished when Microsoft purchased the equity stake and Facebook boosted to 50 million users. So we can see that internal success and external success can merge and contribute to a great part. So here are some most successful person. We very well know them: Bill Gates, Dr. APJ Abdul Kalam, Mukesh Ambani, Steve Jobs, Mark Zuckerberg, and Ratan Tata. So group success. Group success is not dependent on an individual. It is gained in the every by participation of each and every person. Together we can achieve it. Like for cricketing World Cup, football World Cup, it is about the group success as well as internal success. So here I end my session. Thank you all of you.